Plant FAQs, Tillandsia Kolbii. Tillandsia Kolbii, your guide to the fuzzy air plant. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm obsessed with air plants. Tillandsias, with their unique needs and stunning varieties, are a constant source of fascination for me. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tillandsia Kolbii, a compact and captivating air plant. 690 species in genus Tillandsia, air plants. What is Tillandsia Kolbii? Tillandsia kolbii is an epiphytic bromeliad, meaning it grows on other plants in the wild. Native to Mexico and Guatemala, this air plant boasts fuzzy, mint-green leaves that form a tight rosette. Unlike some Tillandsias, kolbii keeps its vibrant red, orange, or purple blooms tucked within the rosette, adding a touch of surprise when they peek out. Short and sweet, Tillandsia kolbii is a fuzzy air plant with compact rosettes and colorful blooms that nestle within the leaves. Tillandsia kolbii versus Tillandsia ionantha. Are they twins? Tillandsia kolbii is often mistaken for its close cousin, Tillandsia ionantha. Both share a similar fuzzy texture and compact size. However, there are key differences. Size. Kolbii tends to be slightly larger than ionantha. Blooms. Kolbii keeps its blooms nestled within the rosette, while ionantha often has a stalk that elevates the flowers. Leaf color. While both have a fuzzy appearance, kolbii's leaves lean towards a cool mint green, whereas ionantha's can vary from green to a silvery hue. Confusing the crew. Tillandsia kolbii and ionantha are lookalikes, but size, bloom placement, and leaf color offer clues. How to care for your Tillandsia kolbii. The beauty of Tillandsia kolbii lies in its ease of care. Here's how to keep your fuzzy friend thriving. Watering. Unlike traditional plants, kolbii doesn't need soil. Soak it in room temperature water for 10 minutes every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your climate. Ensure thorough soaking and let it dry completely upside down. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Air circulation. Good air circulation is crucial to prevent rot. Consider hanging your kolbii or placing it on a well-ventilated shelf. Fertilizer. A light misting with diluted bromeliad fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, is beneficial. Simple steps, big rewards. With proper watering, light, air circulation, and occasional feeding, your Tillandsia kolbii will reward you with fuzzy charm and vibrant blooms. Common problems with Tillandsia kolbii. While Tillandsias are generally low maintenance, a few issues can arise. Browning leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive sun exposure. Adjust your watering routine and provide adequate light. Melting. Mushy leaves indicate rot, often due to poor air circulation or excessive water left in the crevices. Ensure proper drying and increase airflow. Pests. Mealybugs can be a nuisance. Isolate your plant and treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Prevention is key. Proper care helps avoid browning leaves, rot, and pests. Act quickly if you notice any issues. Tillandsia kolbii, adding fuzzy flair to your life. Tillandsia kolbii's compact size and fuzzy texture make it a versatile addition to your home. Here are some creative ways to display it. Terrariums. Create a miniature world with kolbii as the centerpiece. Seashell planters. The natural textures complement each other beautifully. Mounted on driftwood. This creates a stunning, natural look. Air plant hangers. Hang them individually or group them for a vibrant display. Think beyond the pot. Tillandsia kolbii thrives outside traditional pots, adding a touch of whimsy to your decor. With its easy care and unique charm, Tillandsia kolbii is a fantastic choice for plant enthusiasts and beginners alike. So, embrace the fuzzy and add a touch of air plant magic to your space.